Siri, call Blossom, call Blossom. Yes, Blossom, yes, yes, yes. Oh, my call for tell you this. 2 months ago, them broke my house and take out every appliance out of my house. And nobody in the community no call and say nothing to me. Eh? And when me come home from work, me see me house strip and Blossom girl. Today me there work. Only if you know say my neighbor call me and tell me say them see Tyrone coming around red car and move out ends a bag of things hmm? From out of the house. Yes, girl. Girl, when me reach home, everything for Tyrone gone. Everything him having at the closet gone. Yes, I want big suitcase in at the back room when did carry when brother yes did give him with some things that come down from foreign. That gone. Yes, yes. And the big, the big 48 inches Samsung curved TV when did have that gone. Girl, me not even feel no way. Tell you the truth, me not feel no way because me did I get tired of him. Me say, from him go a country for Father's Day, go look for him two picnic where him have a country. Word on the streets, him and him baby mother gone back.
Wow.
But let me tell you something, me no feel no way. Me no feel no way. No other ball there, man. No, me no ball. Me no ball. Me tell you something, I'm glad in God. Me I tell you. No, I don't cry, me I cry. Blossom. Blossom, me not tell a lie. Me feel like a toops away. Because me I tell you, say, ain't good to me still. Even though I obsess me, even though I obsess it, me feel, oh, Blossom, Blossom. No, I don't cry, me I cry. No, no. No, I don't cry, me I cry. For the way you hold me talk against him. No, me not cry, me not cry. But I true you don't know. Oh, bless up. Come check me later. Me just a come from work and see what because me I tell you say come check me later. Come up a yard later. Me can't take it. All right. Patricia, I am here for you now, darling. I am here to comfort your heart. You know me already. Me come together one scripture. Yeah. May the Lord answer you in the day of trouble. May the name of the God of Jacob defend you. May he send you help from the sanctuary and strengthen you out of Zion. Psalms 20 and verse 1. Patricia, take it easy here. Take it easy, Patricia, take it easy. You should have glad said the obsessed man gone before him do you anything, Patricia. Patricia, you should have glad say him gone. You know, Rejoice and give God thanks. Said the man gone. God know what him doing. Eh? God always come through and a little time me hear you pray. Yes, and a little time you come at church and I pray, you go at church, you beg prayer all about over the place. Patricia, you beg prayer, because you say you're tired of the man. And you want God to come through for you. And now God come through you, Patricia, and take the man out of your way, send him back a country to him baby mother, and you are cry. No, Patricia, man, you can't do that. You can't do that. Blossom, Blossom, me understand what you say, you know. Me understand everything what you say. Let me tell you something. Yeah, him left him card them, you know. Him forgot him card. Yes, him credit card and him debit card because I mean used to keep it for him. And me I tell you say, tomorrow, me I draw out every money him have and dash for the card them and tell him say them last. Smaddy rob me. I only hope him not hear this. I only hope nobody don't care about my name. Me I tell him say somebody rob me. God go with him. The boy is too wicked. The boy wicked. And you saw me and the boy I come from. After the boy fall out with him baby mother, you know. And the boy come at town. And me take up the boy and me and the boy I go and good it up like some good it up. You understand? Him kind of obsessed, yes, but me I tell you, blossom, me I tell you, say the boy wicked. Me I tell you, man. And a little talk, the boy talk against him, baby mother. Me never knew what Tyrone did I go back to her, you know. Me never knew what Tyrone did I go back to her. Because the way Tyrone talk against her, so something where Tyrone talk against the girl. Yeah, I tell you, man. Oh, this and that and me not even want to talk because them things they not good for talk. When Tyrone attack me, I say Tyrone, oh you fear this of the woman, so me a woman to you know. And me I tell you man, me never in the wildest dream believe say Tyrone would go back to that girl there and watch there. No, me nah ball, I no ball, me a ball. 2,000 years they soon get married and all these things. And me things that I run and I'm married to me, you know, even though me a big woman and him a young boy. And I know like me can't have no picnic for him and all these things. Me still think I to the work out. You tell me all the while. But my mind tell me say to the work because to the way the boy all over me check say to the work. Me can't believe. At one point him did the same one pick me from me but me too old for pick me. Please to like, subscribe and share so you can tune into the next video. Thank you.